Hey everyone, this is Derrick Henry, and if you struggle with applying just the right number format in Excel, like I do sometimes, I've got the tool for you. This lets you easily toggle between your 5 favorite number formats and then back to the general format. So let's take a look. So in this, in the file that I'm looking at right here, we've got just a bunch of cells, and I'm using one shortcut to toggle through my 5 favorite formats. So you can get really specific with number formats, and whether you have one or more cells selected, it gives you 5 shortcuts in one plus back to general, using the top left cell to toggle to the next one. Now, you may not know the power of number formats. You can do dates, you can do percentages, decimals, commas, you can even put text and colors and symbols in here. This gives you a way to design just the right number format for you and save that. You can use it over and over again without struggling or having to copy paste and do all kinds of crazy things. I did some quick math, and this saves me probably 5 hours a year, because if you break it down, this is a really common action. Let's say it's 3 seconds every time, 25 or so times a day, 230 days a year. It adds up so quickly. Just imagine how much time you can save taking that approach with other actions in Excel and beyond. So stop being frustrated with number formats, save your favorites, impress your friends. One shortcut to make this work. So to try it out, to learn more about this and other great tools, visit the QR code below or go to www.XLEV8.co. If you like this, please make sure to follow me for more great tools like this. Give it a like, leave a great comment, share with a friend, or try it out for yourself today. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome rest of your day.